Hi everyone, I'm now going to show you how I took an existing GIF with a transparent background and turned it into a movie with a transparent background that I could then layer on top of my moving clouds. Now this is an existing GIF that I've had and I've opened it. One thing I find with Photoshop is that when you open a GIF, sometimes you need to delete these 3 layers and start from scratch. So in this case, I didn't have to. My GIF is actually working. Now, at present, it's less than a second long. You can see each one. If I was to play it once, okay, it's over within 0.8 of a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lengthen my GIF. I'm going to make it longer. So what I do is over here, I need to copy all these layers, Control C, and then I'm just going to paste them. So I've got the same thing over and over again, but they exist as layers. So Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. So I've got lots and lots of layers. Now, they're all on different, they've all moved. So what I'm going to do is pause that, just move them all where they should be, which is here. I don't know why that happens, but that's easily fixed. Just put them all on top of each other. You can actually move them around. You don't have to have them in the same place. It just means that that he's moving him around here. So, okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to delete these and I'm going to make my frames from layers. So over here, make frames from layers. Okay, now let's play this one. Yeah, he's moving around. That's pretty good. It's not moving, it's moving just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to select all of these because I want them to be 0.5 of a second. I don't want him to move so fast. So click the first and then shift click the last and then change it to 0.5 of a second, and they all change. And so now he's kind of moving a bit more slowly, he's bouncing around. Now, when I made this GIF, I made it on A4 document. So what I need to do is change the canvas size, and I'm going to change it to be the size of a video, which is 1920 by 1080. So I'll go to image size. I'm going to change this to pixels, and I am going to change it. I'm going to unlock that because it's actually not needed. I don't want them to. Sorry, I've done that wrong. I'm going to change the canvas size. Image canvas size. Canvas is the transparent background it's sitting on. So canvas size. Sorry. So let's change that to pixels, and the width is going to be 1920, and then the height will be 1080, and it says, oh, some clipping will occur. Yeah, proceed. That's fine. Okay, so now it looks more like the video that I'm going to put it on. It has the same proportions. So, I can and I can actually move it around if I want to on these layers. I can bounce him around a bit. But I won't do that now. So now I'm going to show you how I save this as a video with a transparent background. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert this to a video timeline. Convert to video timeline. There we go. There's the timeline. Now I'm going to save it as a movie. So, File, Export, Render Video. Right, now this is the important bit. We're going to make sure that, well, firstly, I know where I'm saving it, and I'm just going to call it transparency test, because it is a test. And I'm going to select Adobe Media Encoder. It's a default selection, so I don't need to do anything there. This needs to be QuickTime, so that's really important. If you don't have a Mac, you may have to work out another way to do it, but this is with a Mac. So, QuickTime. I'm happy for it to be a high quality animation. There's my video size, my document size rather. I'm going to keep it to 30 frames per minute. Now, this is really important. Down here, we've got the alpha channel selected. Select alpha channel, so check it, and select straight unmatted. The other selections give you a black background, a white background, or a colored background. We want straight unmatted. I presume that means transparent, no color whatsoever. And then I'm going to click render. So that's going to actually give me a video layer with a transparent background. It's taking a little bit of time, but I've already made one. And all I did was I opened up a new document, and I clicked on timeline, and then I clicked video animation, then I opened an existing video, and then I opened another one and put it on top, and then and voila, there was my GIF, my sort of monster with a transparent background floating in the sky. So that's how I did it. Give it a go. It's a little bit advanced, but if you already understood the sky animation and you understood how to make a GIF with a transparent background, this is just a few more extra steps that you need to take. Okay, so give it a go and enjoy. Thanks, guys.